Good morning, champions. I'm going to do a video that's a little different this morning. My internet's down at my house, so I'm having to do this all from my cell phone so I can try to get it uploaded this morning. So this is day 7, and it says, how long will it take to finish a book? It says a grade level novel has approximately 250 words on a page. If there are 320 words in your new library book, how many words are in the book? So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to look here at we're going to have to look at how can we find how many words are in a book. So if I say there is 250 words, that's where words on a page goes, because there's 250 words on a page. See right there? And we say that there was 350 pages in the book, and so that will give you the amount of words in the book. So what I would like you to do is work this problem, because this is what I said. I said that there are 150 words on a page, and there are 205 pages in a book. So if I just multiply those two things like I was showing you up here, words per page times number of pages, that will give you the number of words in the book. So when I do 150 words times 205 pages, I get 30,750 words in the book. You can do that with those same numbers, 250 words on a page and 320 pages, and that should help you. That should help you to solve this. Okay, so this is how that you can solve the first problem. Words per page right there times the pages per book. And that will give you how many words are in the whole book. The second part of this was, it says, time yourself reading for 1 minute. How many words did you read? So that's simple. You're not really doing any math there other than timing yourself for 1 minute. Use your cell phone, use a stopwatch, use a timer on your smartwatch. Like y'all know, I have my watch here. You could use a timer on that, but time yourself for 60 seconds and see how many words you read. Next, it says, using your data and the ratio table below, calculate how long it will take you to finish your new library book. And then it says, justify your response. So you can use that statement right there. It will take me blank minutes to finish my new book. I know this because, so that's your sentence stem that you can use. This table right here, it's just a table that you're putting your information in. So when you say, I've read for 1 minute, 1 minute goes right there. And then how many words did you read in 1 minute? That goes right there. And then you're going to go ahead and you're going to estimate by creating a ratio table and just showing, if you read for 10 minutes, how many words would you read? If you read for 60 minutes, how many words would you read? So on and so forth. And you're going to have a lot of different answers, because everybody's book has a different amount of pages and words, and so it's going to be different for each one. Here is get this set up here. Here's my table that I set up. So I just said I read 75 words in 1 minute. So from this point here, this is going to fall. Let me set this down here on the floor. I said I could read 75 words in 1 minute. So if I read for 10 minutes, that means I had to multiply 1 times 10 to get 10. So that means 75 times 10 is going to be 750. Okay? And if I read for longer, let's say I read for 600. No, it's not 600. That's too long. Let's say 200. So what would you multiply 10 times to get 200? You would do 10 times 20, because 10 times 20 is 200. So that means you also multiply this times 20, and you could start to estimate how long it would take you, because the question on number 3 says, calculate how long it will take you to finish your new library book. Justify your response. You're just guessing, and you're using a table like this. So remember, here's some things that you need to think about. How many words are on a page in your book? Does your book have 75 words on a page? If it does, then it's going to take you 1 minute per page to read. Does your book have 100 words per page? It may even have less if you have a graphic novel. It may only have about, 25 to 50 words a page. All right. The other thing to think about when you're estimating how long it's going to take you to read your entire book, how many pages are in the book? Okay, think about that. How many pages are in the book? And then after you kind of think about these two things, how many words are on a page, how many pages are in a book, and how long is it taking you to read a certain number of words? You can go back to your formula, words per page times number of pages, and that should give you how many words altogether you have. That figure right there can be used to determine how long it takes you. If there are 750 words in a whole book, and you read 75 words a minute, it's going to take you 10 minutes. If there's 7,500, it's obviously going to take you a lot more. So just kind of think about that. Words per page times number of pages. I hope you found this useful, and I'll go back to my normal format tomorrow. My internet's been down, and so we had to get AT&T to come out here and service it, but I will talk to you soon. Hope y'all have a good day.